Hi, my name's Rebecca and I am a student in Dylan's course. I am a military wife and a small business owner. Before starting the course, I had no idea what I was doing. I spent a lot of time watching all these Etsy gurus and all their latest information, but they all seemed to contradict each other. It was very confusing. And then I stumbled upon Dylan's YouTube channel and I was very surprised by how straight to the point she was. That was not a common occurrence on YouTube. After binge watching all her YouTube videos at the time, I thought to myself, if she's giving out this much information for free, how much more can I learn from her course? I was probably one of the most skeptical people about taking an online course because there are so many Etsy experts that make bold claims and their course just ends up being all fluff. However, after speaking to Dylan one-on-one, she really helped me understand the value she offers along with what the course entails. So I made the investment and joined the course. I was really surprised how in detail the lessons were. I was like a sponge soaking up all the information and then applying it to my own shop. As soon as I started implementing the strategies I learned, I saw growth in my shop almost instantly. I went from a whopping 1 sale a month to weekly sales, and I haven't even implemented the most aggressive strategies. Not only did the course help me identify my ideal customer, but it also gave me a new perspective on business from someone who's been in my shoes. So if you're on the fence about joining, consider this. You can learn all this information on your own by watching hundreds of YouTube videos and going down the rabbit hole like I did. But why spend months or even years trying to decipher what information is reliable, where you can learn everything you need to know in one place and at your own pace? Ask yourself, how fast do you want to grow? Dylan does a phenomenal job at giving you the strategies and tools you need for success. And at the end of the day, it is really up to you to implement the changes to your shop so you can achieve your goals. And the best part about this course is you can join anytime along your business journey. Whether you're an established shop or don't even have a product to sell yet, I highly recommend you take this course.